Are you looking for a wire harness test bench, wiring harness test module, TPO, TBO fixture, navigation fixture, all types of harness test systems and many more? Sai Siddhi Enterprises wire harness test system brings to you the products are cost-effective, robust, and easily maintained. Sai Siddhi Enterprises wire harness test system experience design employing processes in conjunction with spring test pins enable. Sai Siddhi Enterprises wire harness test system to provide a guaranteed performance of 100,000 plus cycles. Fully computerized production and delivery systems ensure rapid and reliable delivery to anywhere in the world. Yes, you heard it right. Here at Sai Siddhi Enterprises, you can get test board, test table, testing fixture, pneumatic fixture, TPO, TBO fixture, navigation pull with continuity fixtures, dummy sill insertion fixtures, subassembly trolleys, assembly guide fixtures, terminal bend check alignment gauge, vacuum fixture assembly, gold plated pin, pneumatic test system, customized fixture development, and many more. Sai Siddhi Enterprises wire harness test system has a lot of customer satisfaction like Aptiv, Tay Connectivity, Spark Minda, Molex India, BSA Corporation, Lumax Ancillary Ltd, Buapco India, SD Industries, Fujikura Automotive, Harnex. For more details contact Sai Siddhi Enterprises wire harness test system. Mobile number +91755 94913558. GST number 2780 MPK1120E1Z3.